Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best diamond painting rulers is probably one of the most essential tools for any diamond painting enthusiast looking to achieve that perfect, professional finish on their artwork, ensuring every diamond is placed with precision and uniformity, which can significantly elevate the overall aesthetic appeal and quality of your finished piece, making your crafting experience more enjoyable and rewarding. Number 5. Whaline Diamond Painting Ruler Mesh Grid Tool. Introducing a revolutionary tool designed to elevate your diamond painting experience. This innovative ruler makes placing diamonds precise and simple. Measuring 3.8 by 20 centimeters, it features 520 blank grids across 8 rows. It's perfectly suited for 2.8 mm radius drills, ensuring every diamond fits just right. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tool is both durable and flexible. Its soft material allows for easy and comfortable use during long crafting sessions. This essential diamond drawing accessory ensures your diamonds are placed more conveniently and neatly. It's a practical tool that significantly speeds up your creative process. The mesh grid aligns perfectly with canvas symbols, making diamond application incredibly easy. Its nano coating prevents sticking, allowing for clean removal and preventing diamonds from getting stuck. Tackle more intricate diamond art pieces without feeling overwhelmed. This ruler is ideal for both beginners and professionals, making complex designs faster and more manageable. What we like. This ruler offers a generous 520 blank grids for detailed work. Its nano coating prevents sticking, ensuring a smooth experience. If you're working on intricate designs or need a tool that won't hinder your progress, this is a great choice. What people say. The ruler is a great tool for making your diamond paintings look neat and tidy. It helps to create straight lines and perfect squares, making the overall look of the painting much better. The ruler is easy to use and fits well in your hand, allowing for precise application of diamonds. Number 4. Gersoniel Stainless Steel Diamond Painting Rulers. Get everything you need for your diamond art projects with this comprehensive set. It includes rulers in 3 sizes and handy fix tools to meet all your crafting needs. Choose from 3 different ruler sizes, each with precise blank grids. Whether you need 216, 699, or 1020 grids, we have the perfect tool for your full or partial drill projects. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these rulers are built to last. They offer a smooth surface, sturdy design, and reliable performance, ensuring they won't easily break or rust. Applying diamonds is a breeze with these rulers. Simply align the ruler, fill the grids with your diamonds, and gently remove it for a neat and enjoyable crafting experience. These practical accessories are designed to make your diamond painting look more organized and professional. They help you finish your crafts faster, saving you valuable time and effort. Achieve a polished look for your diamond art with these tools. They ensure your drills are perfectly aligned, resulting in a cleaner and more impressive final piece. What we like. Get versatility with 3 different sizes and types of rulers in one pack. It also comes with helpful fix tools to enhance your diamond painting. If you enjoy variety in your projects or need a comprehensive set for different needs, this is ideal. What people say. The ruler is a great tool for keeping your diamond painting neat and tidy. It helps to create straight lines and perfectly aligned diamonds, making your artwork look more professional. The ruler is made of durable material and is easy to use, even for beginners. Number 3. Whaline 3 PCS Stainless Steel Diamond Painting Rulers. Introducing the Whaline 3-piece stainless steel diamond painting ruler set. This set is designed to make your diamond art projects more efficient and enjoyable. In this practical set, you'll receive 3 diamond drawing rulers in various sizes, along with 3 fix tools. These are perfect for both full and partial drill diamond painting needs. The set includes rulers measuring 20 centimeters, 520 drills, 13 centimeters, 240 drills, and 15.8 centimeters, 1020 drills. These different sizes allow for efficient and precise diamond placement in your artwork. Using these tools is straightforward. Simply align the ruler with your drills, fill in the gaps with your pen, and then remove the ruler when you're done. It's that easy. This functional diamond drawing kit is designed to help you create neater crafts with less effort. Save valuable time and energy on your DIY art projects. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these rulers are both stretchy and flexible for ease of use. Their durable construction ensures that they can be used and kept for a long time. What we like. This set provides 3 rulers in various sizes along with fixed tools for convenience. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built for long-term use. If you're looking for a practical and long-lasting solution for both full and partial drills, this is a solid option. What people say. The ruler is very helpful for keeping the diamond straight and neat. It makes the diamond painting process much faster and easier. The ruler is made of good quality material and is durable. Number 2. 7-piece quilting square ruler set. This set includes 7 square quilting rulers in various sizes, perfect for all your patchwork projects. They are designed to help you achieve accurate cuts every time. Crafted from high-quality, thick acrylic, these rulers are built to last. Their sturdy construction ensures they can handle all your crafting needs for years to come. Featuring a unique 2-color scale, these tools make measuring easy on both light and dark fabrics. You'll be able to see the measurements clearly, no matter the material. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned quilter, these rulers are designed for you. They are simple to use and will help you create beautiful projects with ease. Beyond quilting, these versatile tools are great for a variety of crafting projects. Use them for sewing, scrapbooking, paper crafts, and more. The non-slip rings keep the ruler securely in place during use, ensuring precision. Plus, the hanging hole makes storage simple, keeping your workspace tidy. Remember to remove the protective film before use. If the numbers appear backward, simply flip to the frosted side and remove the film for clear visibility. What we like. This set offers 7 square rulers in multiple sizes, perfect for precise cutting. The clear 2-color scales make it easy to read on any fabric. If you're a quilter or crafter who values accuracy and needs a versatile cutting tool, these are a must-have. What people say. The ruler is very easy to use and helps create perfect diamond paintings. It's a great tool for keeping your diamonds in place and ensuring a neat finish. The ruler is made of high-quality material and is very durable. Number 1. Diamond DOTZ Sun and Moon Diamond Painting Kit. Unleash your creativity with this stunning diamond painting kit. It features a full coverage design with sparkling faceted gems for a truly dazzling finish. Enjoy a relaxing hobby project that's perfect for beginners. The pre-printed fabric and premium DOTZ make it easy to create vibrant wall decor. Place shimmering gems onto the marked surface to create a radiant design. This art set is perfect for collectors and crafting enthusiasts alike. Each piece sparkles with diamond dots that reflect light beautifully. You'll achieve vivid hues and intricate details for a breathtaking result. Designed for adults seeking stress relief, this simple yet rewarding activity helps you unwind. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of crafts. Experience gem painting at its finest with high-quality materials. It includes a color chart, tray, stylus, and waxing caddy for brilliant results. What we like. This kit provides a full coverage design with sparkling, faceted gems. It's designed to be a relaxing hobby project. If you're seeking a stress-relieving activity that results in vibrant wall decor, this is perfect for you. What people say. The ruler is a great tool for making your diamond paintings look neat and tidy. It helps to create straight lines and perfectly aligned diamonds, giving your artwork a professional finish. The ruler is designed to fit comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.